Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vinay. I'm UAE Property Advisor, and today I'm going to show you an ultra luxurious project right next to Burj Dubai and Dera in Dubai, wherein you are getting an ultra luxurious branded residence. Interiors designed by Tonino Lamborghini Casa. Now, if I talk about this project, in this project you're getting monthly payment plan of 1% and you're also getting an apartment overlooking at the sea with a private pool. Now let's go and check it out, the project. First, let me brief you about the location advantages and then I'll brief you about the project model. After this, I'll take you to the show apartment wherein I'm going to show you 2-bedroom apartment with a private pool, and at last, I'm going to give you detailed explanation about the payment plan and the prices of this project. Now, let me brief you about the location. The location of this project is called Maritime City, which is an island right next to Burj Dubai and Dera. So, what does it mean? So, Burj Dubai and Dera is a old Dubai wherein you don't have an option earlier to buy any freehold property. But now, this is right next to Burj Dubai and Dera. You have an option of buying a freehold property along with sea view. Not only this island has very limited number of plots for the residential buildings. Like for example, it has only 14 plots, out of which couple of plots have been launched and sold out. So before this project gets sold out, book your visit now and understand the project if you like it, so that you can take advantage of buying this property. Now let me brief you about the location advantages. Since this project is right next to old Dubai, that means everything is developed over there. For example, schools, hospitals, malls, a gold souk, everything, and most importantly, it is just 15 minutes away from Burj Khalifa. What else do you want? Now let me brief you about the model. So since this project is by DANUBE, so you know DANUBE always comes with lot of amenities. So in this project they have offered again 40 plus world class amenities. So now let me brief you about the project model. In this project you are getting 2 towers. This is your tower 1 and that is your tower 2. In this project you are also getting ground floor, 6 podiums and 44 floors. Now altogether, if I talk about, this is approximately around 50 floors of building. Now in this project you're getting 40 plus world class amenities, like you have an infinity swimming pool, you have lot of amenities in this project, private cinema, you have a doctor on call, nanny on call, lot of things. You have your office here. So everything the developer has taken care. And most important thing about this project is that this project comes with a sea view. Not only this, you are also getting an option to choose your apartment with or without private pool. Now let me take you to the show apartment. So as you enter in your luxurious 2-bedroom sea-facing apartment with a private pool, you get a beautiful and luxurious living and dining area, which also comes with an attached washroom with a private pool. This is your open style kitchen, which comes with fully fitted appliances. This is your bedroom number 1. Just check out the finishing and the quality. And finally, this is your master bedroom. Just check out the finishing and the quality and the space of the master bedroom. It also comes with an attached washroom. Now let me brief you about payment plan. So payment plan remains very simple. You just need to pay 1% every month, in which you just need to pay 10% as a down payment. After 1 month you again need to pay 10%, and then you just need to pay 1% every month. In between you have 2 bullet payments. Apart from this, after handover you just need to pay again 1% every month for next 35 months. So this is, you're getting a post handover payment plan. And not only this, you're also getting fully furnished apartments if you book it before the launch, and you're also getting an option of a private pool with an amazing sea view. What else do you want?